Modules and streams. So what are the different modules and streams? There are so many modules are there, more than 100 plus, right? But we will be focusing on the core ones. So we have basically in SAP two modules, two kind of streams are there, functional stream and technical stream. Functional stream, the people work, the business users comes into the functional stream, and the functional consultants comes also into the functional streams. In functional streams, basically, you would be working on to the business processes more. Okay, business processes. It is, although we will talk about, we are going into IT and SAP, but the functional stream is very close to kind of a business analyst role. If you're working as a functional consultant, it is very close to the business analyst kind of a role. Okay, we don't do as a functional consultant, we don't do any kind of coding. Okay, we don't do any kind of coding. It is pure, I would say that IT came when you are working on SAP, but I am working on SAP for last 17 years. I don't consider myself working in IT company, because what I'm working is the business processes I'm working. I don't do any kind of coding, right? So it's kind of a more business analyst kind of role, a more functional consultant kind of role is there when you're working in functional. So what other tracks are there in functional? We have a FICO, Finance and Controlling module. We have SD, Sales and Distribution module. We have a Materials Management modules, MM, which is also called Sourcing and Procurement. We have a PP, Production Planning, or we have a HR. Production Planning is also known as a manufacturing. For HR, now we have a Success Factor. Okay, Success Factor is also there. These are the core modules are there. Okay, I call them as a core functional modules, right? Apart from them, there are a lot of other modules are there. Plant maintenance is there, quality management is there, project systems is there, EWM is there, TM is there, IBP is there, PPDS is there. So many things are there. But these are the core functional modules. All other modules which we'll be implementing need to have a very good and strong connection and integration with these core modules. Finance and controlling is used to maintain your books and maintain your financials in SAP. SD is used to maintain your sales operations. MM is for sourcing and procurement. PP is for planning and production. HR is for human resource, or success factor is for the human resource. For those functions, these are the core modules are there, right? If you are not able to select your module, I would be coming to that point, that how you need to select your module if you want to do it. But the jobs would be hidden into these modules and some advanced modules also. Okay, some advanced module also. EWM, TM, multiple different modules are there. So you can be a consultant into these modules or the another modules, like I have said, EWM, PM, QM, TM, multiple modules are there. Or you can be a technical consultant. Technical consultant would be working, functional people would be working more on the front end with the business. Technical people work onto the back end. This is the back end team. ABAP is the language name. ABAP is the language name. Where basically you would be working on programming. You will be writing codes here. Technical team need to write the code. So you'll be writing a code, a program which SAP front end use to run the thing. So whenever you have a front end screen, you are punching a sales order. At the back end, a program has written, right? So to maintain this program, to change this program, and to write a new program, we require ABAPers. So that is a ABAP consultants would require. Then we have a basis. Basis team generally do the two things, admin things, admin and infra. To implement SAP, you need a hardware, you need a database, and that database need to be installed. The patches need to be updated. So that hardware need to be ready so that we can install the software. Software need to be installed, and then we need to use it. And some people would be required to continuously monitor the connections and other things. So that is the admin role. That is the admin role which basis team does, or security also. Which people need to provide what kind of access. Okay, the people in Germany should not have access to India data. People in India should not have access to Australia data, right? So that kind of security things also is maintained by the basis team. BI is there, business intelligence, analytics there. These are further technical modules. BI is more there for the reporting. and analytics. This is also kind of a technical modules are there where basically more technical expertise would be required, not necessarily the coding, but a lot of technical tools you need to manage it to work on to these BI analytics, those kind of things. So these is the jobs would be there into the functionals, and jobs would also be there into the technicals, right? You need to select where you want to go. You want to go into the functional track or you want to go into the technical track. That's what you need to get selected.